Hey guys, boom! Zepto is giving free cash plus birthday gift box and also special free gifts worth 1000 rupees. So let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch really good videos and offers. As you see here, we have ordered 649 rupees on Zepto and we have got birthday gift box for free and two special gifts we have got. As you see here, this is the gift box. Let's open and check out what's there. Here first we have Saffola Oats. This is India's #1 brand. You can go for porridge, as you all know. And you have here face pack. This is a herbal bleach cream, which means it's natural, so you can use it with the activator as per the instructions on the pack for your face. The next product we have is Dant. It is for your teeth. You can use it as toothpaste. The next we have Pizza Organo, but it is a multi-purpose product. You can check out. Next we have this Chittinadu, which is very famous. It costs 60 rupees. Chicken masala mix. Here comes Jaljeera. This is like a kata meeta drink. You can use it as pani puri water also. Okay, coming up is the lens wipes. As you see here, you can use it to clean your specs as shown in the picture. The next we have the roll-on. This is Amrutanjan roll-on. You all know it costs 20 rupees. You can use it to get relief from your headaches in 2 minutes after applying roll-on. Here comes the Chance, the buttermilk. This is the spiced buttermilk. You can taste it. It is good, but it's spicy. We have here tomato ketchup in the gift box. Okay, no ifs and buts. You got to taste it. This is Winky's choco filled and hazelnut filled cream cake. You will love it. Here ends the items in the gift box, but you have got two special free gifts as well. This is dates. Has got low GI and naturally sweet, and it decreases your stress and brain inflammation. As you see here, it looks natural, right? And the second special free gift we have got here is charger. This is C to C type charger, and let me tell you, if you want birthday gift box plus special free gifts, you have to place an order of rupees 649 and above. As you see here, you can charge your phones using this cable. It costs 1700 rupees and it's of good quality. Now we'll see how to get birthday gift and free cash plus special gifts. As you see here, you can go to Zepto Super Saver and you can have 1500 free cash on placing 5 orders in a row. Then you can go to Zepto. Here you can see 100 free cash on every order, and not only that, you have birthday gift box plus special free gifts on the order value 649 rupees. As you see here, you can unlock the free gift by adding to the cart. Okay, once you add the products to the cart worth 649 and above, here you can click on select button and choose your free gift worth 1000 rupees and above. Here I have chose charger. If you want, you can choose any of these three. And coming to the deals, you have birthday deals on buy one get one free, that is BOGO offer, and under 144 rupee store. You can click on either of them or all of them and add the products to the cart and go to view cart. Here free gift box would be shown up along with the special free gift. As you see here, that is the ZT4 gift box along with earphones as free gift. You can select your free cash as well, as shown in the picture, 100 free cash. You can go to coupons and here you have free gifts as well. You have got free magnets and photo frame. You can choose any of the coupons and apply it at checkout. And please make sure you order on Zepto and not on Super Saver to enjoy this free gifts plus free cash. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.